don't know me, but I know you. I want to play a game. Better hurry up. Live or die. Make your choice.
Red contacts? Check. Now start off by blending foundation all over the face closest to your skin tone, then use a concealer that is several shades lighter so we can brighten up the areas such as under the eyes, the nose, the chin, and right between the eyebrows. Make sure to go over your eyes as well, as that will act for a base for your eyeshadow. Now seal that in with a fine translucent powder and a nice fluffy brush. For Snow White's rosy cheeks, add a bit of pink blush. Now both characters have black hair and black eyebrows, so I used a small angle brush and applied black eyeshadow directly to my eyebrows. If you already have black eyebrows, you can totally skip this step. Use a fluffy eyeshadow brush in the crease with black eyeshadow and a lighter color on the lid and underneath the brow bone to create a very easy smoky eye. The trick is to just keep blending until the black softens up. Use a creamy black eyeliner to fill in your tight line, which is basically all the spaces in between your eyelashes, and then your waterline, which is the line below your eyeball. Then take the small angled brush again and black eyeshadow and blend out the eyeliner. Add some black mascara to the bottom lashes. Basically just throw on as much black onto your eyeballs as you can. Fluffy lashes? Check. Pop on some bright red lipstick. Now for Billy the Puppet's iconic red cheek swirls, use a round brush and red paint to apply it, and use a picture for reference if you need to. This look was actually 100% inspired by an artist named Andrew Tarusov. I will put all of his links down below. He is an incredible artist and completely inspired me to bring these characters to life. So sticking to the theme of the photo, I wanted to use Billy's outfit. Now you can totally go a much easier route and just buy a button-up shirt and a red bow tie, but you know, we like to make things a little more fun over here. So etch in where you want the bow tie to be and then go around it with a paintbrush or sponge, whatever you need to do to fill up that space. It's going to be completely white because that represents the button-up shirt. Now fill in the bow tie with the same red that you used on the face. Go ahead and outline with the same red the collar of the shirt, and then we are going to add in a couple lines throughout it to give the illusion of wrinkles. Come back in with the fluffy brush and black eyeshadow and start creating shadows and depth to your shirt and underneath the bow tie. Mark in the folds and then use a paintbrush and black paint this time to outline the tie. Now use a small amount of water and some white paint to create a highlight. Blend this out until you can no longer see the streaks. Now when it comes to body painting clothing, you can be far more detailed and it will be much more time consuming, but for the sake of this tutorial, I wanted to keep it nice and simple so that anyone could recreate it. Alright, here is our final Snow White Jigsaw mashup look. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. You can find me at Bengal Queen on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.